Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Row. In today's video, we're going to dive into a fun and interactive aspect of CSS, cursors and user interactions. This tutorial is perfect for those who are just starting out with web development. By the end of this video, you'll be able to customize the cursor and enhance user interaction on your web pages. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what cursors are. When you move your mouse over different elements on a web page, the appearance of the cursor changes. For example, it might turn into a hand when you hover over a link. This is controlled using CSS cursor properties. So let's create a simple HTML file and link our CSS file to it. So in my HTML file and my body tag, I'm just gonna add a H1 that says cursors and user interaction. And now I'll add 3 buttons. So I'll add a button with a class called pointer cursor. And this is just gonna say pointer cursor. And now I'll do the same for crosshair cursor and custom cursor, just like this. So now let's switch to our CSS file and add some basic cursor style. So currently, when I hover over these, it's just my regular cursor. So now I'll add the pointer cursor because I'm going to be editing this class. And let's do cursor, and in this case will be pointer. And when I hit Control Save, and now you can see that when I hover over this pointer cursor, you'll see my hand icon show up. And now let's do the crosshair cursor. And I'll change this to cursor crosshair. And now when I hit Control Save and I hover over the crosshair cursor, you'll see a crosshair pops up, just like this. And now we can add custom cursors like this. So I'll add the class called custom cursor, and I'll do cursor, URL, and now we're going to link it to our image. Now for my custom cursor, I added a pointer.png that I downloaded from Flat Icon. I just downloaded the simple one, changed this to 16 pixels, and now when I hover over the custom one, you can see this custom cursor showing up. Now let's enhance user interaction. We can change the cursor dynamically based on user actions. For example, let's add some interactivity when hovering over the buttons. So I'll do a button hover, and let's do a cursor help icon. So this will give a help cursor on hover. So you'll see a question mark on the bottom right of our cursor. And now when button's active, we can do a cursor wait, which will give the wait cursor when it's active. So for example, while we're holding it down, you'll see this loading screen, or you'll see this loading icon, or loading cursor. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Code with Row for more development tutorials. Don't forget to check out the description below for the link to our Discord and Patreon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.